again to my channel. And in today's video I'm going to teach you guys like 5 different easy life-saving hairstyles, and you can do it in like 5 minutes, not even 5 minutes, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and you can walk out of your house and it's going to give you all a different look each time you are doing it. So, and if you are like me who is always running late, then this video is your lifesaver for sure. And if you want to know what is going to go exactly the rest of the video, what you have to do is just stay tuned with me to know more. So for the first look, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to leave this as a straight partition because I'm a person who goes with side partition all the time. So, and if you are a person who are going the straight partition all the time, then what you can do is just take a side partition and cut a bangs and you look really nice. So for this straight partition, I'm just not going to go like this because I don't like my hair falling onto my face. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take some portion of the hair just like this. I'm going to part some portion of the hair here and take it like this. And then comb it nice and straight, and then leave it behind my ears, and then clip it. So you're gonna look like this. And then the same thing, I'm gonna take a partition of the hair from this side and comb it really well and make it very straight, and then I'm gonna just clip it, take it behind my ears and clip it here. And the rest of the hair falls like this. This hairstyle will give you a celebrity look because nowadays you always see the celebrities with straight partitions on the red carpet. So when you go with this, you look really nice. So now for the second hairstyle, I'm going to go with a puff. So for that, I'm using a puff maker and 3 pens and a comb. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some portion of my hair from here and some portion of my hair from here, just as you do to cut a bangs, and then comb it well and place this behind your hair and just do it like this. And there goes a big, beautiful, and you will definitely see a nice puff. So you can also comb a little to make it frizz-free and very nice. So here we go. And make it, just bring it a little forward like this and then clip it up. When you do so, when you are bringing it a little more forward and when you're clipping it, that adds, it gives a nice look to your puff. So now you have to take some hair from this side and then take it here and clip it this side. And then you're going to take some hair from this side and you're going to place it here and clip it this side. Now you can see a beautiful voluminous puff. Now the third look. So for that I'm going to take a side partition and then divide my hair like this into this section till my ears, and then take the remaining hair and leave it aside. You can also just put a knot or a rubber band this side so that it doesn't disturb your hair while you're braiding. Now it's so simple. You have to just French braid this. So as you do a normal braid, take 3 sections and then braid your hair. And take 1 section and place it in the middle and braid it. And then take 1 section and place it in the middle and braid it. Take 1 section and place it in the middle and braid it. Again, take 1 section, place it in the middle and keep braiding, braiding, braiding. And as you go to the end, make sure that you are braiding it a little loose and not very tight. Okay, so just braid it a little looser and then take it here behind and clip it. Alright, so now you can see a proper braid here, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make it a little bigger. Since I've braided it a little loose, I'm able to just stretch this here. And now I'm going to remove this band. I'm just going to leave my hair like this, a proper side partition, and then I'm going to take my comb and do a proper partition here like this, and take all this hair and leave it here. I'm just going to clip it here. For this, I'm just going to divide this hair into 2 sections with just 1 finger like this, and then I'm going to keep just twisting it. Twist it, 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 and then clip it here, this side. Okay? And then I'm going to release this section and do not let it down. Just take another partition here and clip this hair again. And now as you have this section, take 2 sections and start twisting. Twist it. Twist it and clip it behind. And now release this last section. Take it 2 sections and start twisting. The same way as you did for the remaining 2 sections. And now you have this done. And then you have to clip it. So after clipping this, I'm going to take the rest of my hair and leave it like this. Make sure your clips are not shown out. Just comb them and make your hair dropping like this, covering a little portion of your face. And now the last hairstyle, and this is my most favorite because it's easy when compared to all the others. So I go with this most of the time. Straight partition. But you need not go for a straight partition. You can just also go for a slight side partition. But I go for a straight partition in this. And then I'm going to take a little portion of this hair from here. And then I'm going to just twist it. And twist it a little more bit. And then bring it forward a little and then flip it. The remaining hair is here. The same way, some portion of the hair, and I'm going to just twist it and bring it forward a little, like this, and then flip it and hide your clip. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you really liked the video, and I hope all the 5 hairstyles were very easy and very useful for you all. So if you do like this video, give it a big thumbs up and do share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. And you can also follow me on Instagram as xd.krish. If you want more videos like related to hairstyle or related to makeup, all you have to do is just comment below. Okay guys, this is Sanjay signing out. Bye bye. See you soon.